children, welcome to your Maths online class. In the last class, we discussed about the ordering of fractional numbers. Today, in your Maths class, I am going to explain about the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have different numerator and denominator but are equal to the same value. Now, let us know about the equivalent fractions. Okay, children? Now, see here. Okay, children. Now, see here. Look at the following figures of the same size. Now, in the first picture, how many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded out of two parts. One part is shaded out of two equal parts. So the shaded part represents that the fraction is 1/2. Now, can you see the second picture? In the second picture, how many parts are shaded? In the four equal parts, only two parts are shaded. So the shaded part shows the fraction is 2/4. We see that the shaded portion on both the figures is same. Half of the part is shaded in both the figures. So the fractions 1/2 and 2/4 indicate the same part of a figure. So we say that 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions because in the first picture half of the part is shaded and the second picture also half of the part is shaded. So here 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. We observe that the fractions 1/2 and 2/4 represent the same fractional number 1/2. That means 1/2. Now let us see here. The shaded portion shows 1/3. In the three parts, only one part is shaded. In the second picture, total how many parts are there? There are 6 parts. In the 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? Only 2 parts are shaded. The shaded portion shows that fraction is 2/6. In the first picture, in 3 parts, only one part is shaded. Whereas in the second picture, in the 6 parts, only 2 parts are shaded. Here also, both the figures are the same. We see that the shaded portion in both the figures is the same. Here, 1/3 and 2/6 indicate the same part of a figure. Here also, we can say that 1/3 and 2/6 are equivalent fractions. That the fractional number is 1/3. Here 1/3 and 2/6 also equivalent fractions. And before that 1/2 and 2/4 also they are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are the fractions that have the same value but the different numerator and different denominator, but the fractions are having the same value. Okay, children, now let us see the exercise 2.4. Okay, children, now open your textbook, page number 189, exercise 2.4. Write a pair of equivalent fractions for the shaded portions in the following figures. Here already the pictures was given. Now we have to write the fractional number for the shaded portion. Now, here in the first picture, total how many parts are there? 4 parts. Here I am writing the answer. Total how many parts are there? 4 parts. In the 4 parts, how many parts are shaded? Only 2 parts are shaded. So, the fraction is 2/4. And one more. In these 2 parts are there. How many parts are shaded? Only one part is shaded. So, the fraction is 1/2. These two are the equivalent fractions. In the 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. That means half of the picture is shaded. Here also half part is shaded. So these two are equivalent fractions. Now the second one. in this first picture, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2. Total how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the 6 parts, how many parts are shaded? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the fraction? 4 by 6. And the another fraction is only 3 parts are there. In the 3 parts, how many parts are shaded? 2 parts. So the fraction is 2 by 3. These two also equivalent fractions. Now the third picture, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In 8, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the fraction is 6 by 8. And one more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 parts are there. And that 4 parts, 3 parts are shaded. 3 by 4. Now the fourth one. Here so many boxes are there. You can observe and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10. In the 10, how many boxes are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 boxes are shaded. So the fraction is 4 by 10. And the another one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the 5, how many parts are shaded? Only 2 are shaded. 2 by 5. These two are equivalent fractions. Now see the next one, fifth one. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In 12, how many boxes are shaded? Only 2 are shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 12. For another picture, only 1 box is shaded. In this total 6 boxes. So 1 by 6. If you cancel these two numbers, 2 in this, how many times will be possible? 6 times into 1 time. So the fraction is 1 by 6. 1 by 6, 1 by 6. Both are equal. Now let us see the last one, sixth one. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. In 8, how many boxes are shaded? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are shaded. Now the next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 boxes are there. In the 9 box, how many boxes are shaded? 3, 4, 5. Only 5 boxes are shaded. If you cancel here 2 table, in 2 how many times will be possible? 5 2s are 10. In this 9 times. 9 2s are 18. 5 by 9, 5 by 9. Both are equivalent fractions. So these all are equivalent fractions. Okay children, did you understand everybody? Okay, can practice another time in your textbook. Okay dear children, thank you.